Our today video is about weather conditions in coronavirus spread. Before proceeding further, I would like to thank you for opening this video and share with you ground realities about COVID-19 causing virus challenges to the scientific community. Even best virologists are confused with the SARS coronavirus too. Regarding the effects of temperature on virus causing COVID-19 disease, several scientific studies suggest it will slow down in summer and tropical environments. There are also studies showing that disease pattern will stay the same. Let's look into available science. That's what it says. Best conditions for SARS coronavirus spreading are temperature 8.07 degrees centigrade cold environment, wind speed 16.1 miles per hour, humidity 64.6%, which means virus spread rapidly in colder environments. One more scientific study further confirms that preliminary evidence that higher temperatures are associated with lower incidence of COVID-19. For cases reported globally up to 29 February 2020. Additional support in favor of lower infection in warm regions is from a scientific study that suggests people in temperate, warm and cold climates are more vulnerable. Those in arid climates follow next in vulnerability, while the disease will likely marginally affect the tropics. There are also studies not supporting temperature-relevant coronavirus infection decline. Changes in weather alone, increase of temperature and humidity as spring and summer months arrive in the North Hemisphere, will not necessarily lead to declines in COVID-19 case counts without the implementation of extensive public health interventions. Just an additional fear. Spanish flu was initiated in the spring of 1918 and became extremely virulent by the end of summer of 1918. Jan Albert, a professor of infectious disease control who specializes in viruses at the KAROLINSKA Institute in Stockholm, says, and it would be really surprising if it didn't show seasonality then. The big question is whether the sensitivity of this virus to the seasons will influence its capacity to spread in a pandemic situation. We don't know for sure, but it should be in the back of our heads that it is possible. The only thing we can do is to pray that we get rid of this dangerous and smart virus soon.